Hello, this is Robert here at Guzzi Fabrication. Hey, and in this video, we're going to show you how to bring a lot of contrast and detail to your engine compartment by applying a Raptor liner to the underside of your hood. Now this is going to go in between the inner structure and the outer skin. First, remove the hood. Now if the underside of the hood is dirty, power wash before removal. Then securely hang. Clean with rubbing alcohol. Now take your time and accurately and thoroughly mask, then scour with a red Scotch-Brite pad. And remember to mask any through holes from the backside. Then mix the Raptor liner and shake. Then screw on the applicator gun. And then spray the liner from multiple angles to ensure coverage. Unmask and clean any overspray with rubbing alcohol before the Raptor liner has fully dried, then reinstall the hood. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And leave us a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel. Then check out all of our other videos on our content page. And as always, thanks for watching.